take time away from my own town and run away. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify. Waiting for some answers to justify. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify. On hope, hoping that I'm right, and these long nights will shine a light on what I've been doing all this time, waiting for some answers to justify. Waiting for some answers to justify. Waiting for some answers to justify. I've gotten everything I wanted, never had to beg for it, always worked for it. But some days I wish I could slow down, take time away from my own town and